Disney Junior is celebrating Black History Month with Doc McStuffins and some very special doctors, like Dr. Bradford.
My name is Dr. Letitia Bradford, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon. If you fall down and you break your arm or you break your leg, I'm the person that comes to see you. One of my heroes is Dr. Claudia Thomas. She's such an inspiration to me because she's an orthopedic surgeon, and that made me realize that anybody could be an orthopedic surgeon, even me. How is your arm doing today?
It feels better.
Have you been doing those exercises that we talked about at home?
Yes.
Excellent.
Impressive.
It's good to see your arm is back to normal.
When I saw Doc McStuffins for the first time, I thought how exciting to have someone on TV that's a doctor and that looks like me.
I think you should get a checkup right away.
Every time I see a young patient, and especially a young girl, I hope that when they see me, they realize that science can be fun and that medicine is a field for everyone.
Celebrate Black History all month long with Disney Junior.